गोवा फुटबॉल उदरगत मंडळान 9 डिसेंबरात दिसाची स्पोर्ट्स मेडिकल परिशद घेवपाचें थारायला। देशभरांतले नामनेचे दोतोर हे परिशदेंत वांटेकार जातले। मंडळाचो चेअरमॅन दोतोर रुफिन मोंतेरोन मिडियाक हें सांगलें। सगळे फुटबॉल कोच आनी आदले फुटबॉल खेळगडे परिशदेंत आसतले।
गोय फुटबॉल उदरगत मंडळान 9 डिसेंबराक स्पोर्ट्स मेडिकल सेमिनार घेवपाचें थारायला। ह्या सेमिनारान नामनेचे दोतोर वांटो घेतले।
We are inviting all football coaches, managers, people in administration in football, football players, ex-players, as well as coaches from other disciplines and PE teachers. And there will be no registration fee, but people have to register by the 4th of December. We are getting, besides our own local doctors, we are getting Dr. Ashok Ahuja, who was the former head of department of NIS Patiala. Then we are having Dr. Sanjeev Sani, a top psychologist from Delhi, sports psychologist. We are also having nutritionist. So we are having a nutritionist from the Nutrition Institute of Hyderabad, Dr. Ramanna. Besides that, we are having our own very Goan roots, Mr. Waste Space. Of the local faculty, we will be having Dr. Deep Bhandari, who will be speaking on prevention of sports injuries and management of sports injuries.
Doctor, how far does this seminar go in forming up a team of medicos, which is what the CM also had made very clear when GFDC was being formed?
This is just a forerunner along with the first aid courses, on-field resuscitation courses that we have already undertaken. These are forerunners to forming a sports medicine center. We are contemplating very seriously starting a sports medicine clinic soon. And as I told you, sports medicine doesn't mean only treating injuries. It will give advice on prevention of injuries. It will give full support for pre-conditioning and pre-tournament examination of the players, which is again very vital and hardly being done in our country.
प्रुडंटा खातीर आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार देवेन गांवकर।
26/11 मुंबय हल्ल्याक 4 वर्सां जालीं। भारताच्या इतिहासांतलो एक काळो दीस। अजमल कसाबाक फांसार मारलो तरी ह्या हल्ल्याचे सूत्रधार अजून पाकिस्तानात हड्डे फुडें काडून भोंवतात। ह्या आकांतवादी हल्ल्यान गोंयान शेफ बोरीस रेगो वगडायलो, जाल्यार भारतान मुंबय ATSाचो मुखेली हेमंत करकरेक हुतात्मो जातना पळयलो। हुतात्म्याची यादी आनी तांच्यो यादी इतल्यान सोंपनात।
I spoke to him. I said, Baba, Baba, Baba. He said only 3 words. Dada, Dada, Dada. That's all. And nothing. After that, nothing is nothing. That must be his last breath. I feel. That's what I feel. Afterwards, I just. Then we came to know next day these things, that he is expired.
सरकारने जी ही शिक्षा दिली कोर्टाने आणि त्याला जी फाशी दिली, ही शिक्षा जर का आधी झाली असती तर देशाचा खूप सारा पैसा वाचला असता आणि न्याय लवकर मिळाला असता। न्याय मिळायला थोडा डेफिनेटली उशीर झालेलाच आहे।
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट prudent goa वा facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या काउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबराचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.